Hello everyone. Again, welcome to numerical series of power electronics, and today our numerical problem is a diode rectifier full wave. Supply the resistive 150 ohm load from 100 volt AC RMS voltage source. Calculate average output voltage, average load current, RMS value of output voltage, RMS value of load current, and the and first of all, write all the given data. RL 150 ohm, VRMS is 100. So we can find from this value, we can find VM. VM is root 2 into VRMS. So root 2 into 100, that is 141.42. And again, average output voltage 2 VM upon pi. So 2 into 141.42 upon pi, that is 19.90.03 voltage. And average load current. Average load current equal to V naught upon RL. So we already find the V naught. So V naught is 19.90.03 upon 150. Then you can get the value of load current is 0.60 ampere, and RMS value of output voltage V RMS is V upon root 2. So 141.42 upon root 2, that is 99.99 volt. Again, RMS value of load current is V RMS upon RE, also 99.99 upon 150, that is 0.666. In the question asked, already mentioned full wave. You have to see either it is full load or half load. So according to this, you have to write all the formula.